Joining your thumbs and fingers together, have a look through. Oh, look at that! Those colours, those shapes, all spinning around and around. Can you see it? Yes, it's a rabbit. It's Peter Cottontail, the Easter Bunny. Hello, Peter Cottontail. Oh, what's Peter doing? He's doing yoga. He's doing butterfly pose. This is very exciting. We're going to see Peter Cottontail, the Easter Bunny. And with Easter coming very, very soon, he's going to be very busy at the moment, so maybe we can help him. Let's get ready for our adventure by bringing out the sunshine. We stand up, we reach our arms to the sky, and we say, "Hello, sun, ready? Hello, sun." Then we fold all the way forwards and we say, "Hello to the daffodils." "Hello, daffodils." We step one leg all the way back behind us and we drop down to our back knee. Then we lift ourselves up, try not to wobble. We wrap our arms around and we go cheep, 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 like little yellow chicks. Very good. We bring our hands all the way down and we step our other leg back, coming down onto our bellies. Then we wiggle, 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 wiggle up like a very hungry caterpillar. We tuck our toes, lift our hips up to the sky and we wiggle waggle our little bunny tails. Then we step our other leg forward and we drop down to our back knee again. We come on up, trying not to wobble. We wrap our arms and we go cheep, 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 like a little yellow chick again. We take our hands down to our front foot and we step all the way forwards again to say hello to the daffodils. Hello, daffodils. Then we reach up to the springtime sun and we say, hello, sun. Now, coming down to our knees, we roll our shoulders around and around. We lift them up and put them down. We lift up one, we lift up two. We put down one, we put down two. We go up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Very good, everyone. Now we roll our head around in a big circle one way and a big circle the other way, getting our necks all nice and ready. We sit back on our bottoms, bring our hands behind us to help us balance. We lift up one foot and we go round and round in a circle with our ankle. Oh, can we do the other one as well? We can. Now here's a challenge. Can we do one hand as well? You can. What about the other one? All four. Well done, everyone. That's brilliant. Now crossing our legs. Before we go, let's have some good breakfast. Let's have some porridge. We reach up high for the pot and we fold all the way forwards, keeping our bottoms on the ground to put our pot in front of us. Then we come up and sit up tall. We bring one hand across to our opposite knee and we twist behind us to get our porridge oats. Here we go. We shake them into the pot. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em. Then we take our other hand across to our opposite knee and we twist the other way round to get our water. Here it is. We bring it to the front and we pour it in. Shh. Lovely. Now for the stirring. We take our legs out nice and wide and we take hold of one of our stirring spoons and we stir it up. Very nice. Oh, it's getting thicker. Let's try with the other one now. Take that spoon down and lift up the other one. Stirring it up. Very good. It's ready. Putting your foot all the way down. We cross our legs, fold forwards, and we eat up all of our porridge. It's delicious. We rub a hand on our tummies and we pat our heads at the same time. Very good, everybody. Now it's time to go and meet Peter Cottontail. Let's go out the door. Coming to two knees, take your leg to the side and your arm up to the sky. And we go, ooh. to open up the door. Now we need to go through the gate, bringing your knees back together again. Take your leg to the other side, your arm up to the sky, and open up the gate. Oop. Now we need to tiptoe down to the bottom of the garden so we don't scare Peter Cottontail. Shh, 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 shh. Look, here he is, waiting for us. It's Peter Cottontail. Come down to your knees and crisscross your fingers behind your back. As you fold on forwards, lift your arms up above your head, like two lovely bunny ears. Peter Cottontail is so excited to see us, he does a couple of bunny hops, coming all the way up. Put your hands down in front of you and tuck your toes. Lift up your bunny tail and go hoppity hoppity hop. And again, hoppity hoppity hop. Wow, we're going to go and help Peter Cottontail, the Easter Bunny, collect lots and lots of Easter eggs for everyone at Easter. Let's grab a basket. Coming down onto your tummies, we bring our feet towards our bottom and we reach around, grabbing our ankles. Then we lift ourselves up, smelling the flowers. Lovely. Now, time to get on our bicycles. We lower our legs and come back up to sit and take ourselves all the way down onto our backs. We crisscross our fingers and put them behind our heads and lift up our legs. And we start to use our feet to do the pedals. We're going to have to collect lots and lots of eggs so that Peter Cottontail, the Easter Bunny, has plenty for everyone. Look, we've arrived in the woods. Coming up to stand. We need to see where to go first to go and collect some eggs. So let's climb a tree. Here we go. Up we go, up we go, up we go. Oh, is this high enough? Let's see. Bringing one foot on top of the other and your hands together at your heart. Grow your tree up nice and tall. Oh, now hang on a minute. Are you a strong tree today? Do you think I can blow you down? I think I can. Let me try. You stay tall and strong. I'll have a go. Here I come. Doopy doopy dee doo. I don't believe it. You're still standing up. You are super duper strong. Let's climb a bit higher and see how we do up there. Ready? Up we go, up we go, up we go. Let's try our tree on the other side now. Bringing your other foot on top. Your hands together and grow up nice and tall. Oh, try not to wobble. Now I wonder if you can make your fingers into binoculars, joining your thumbs and fingers together. Have a look through. Oh, look, trying not to wobble. We're very high up here. Look, down there. It's Tommy, the bedtime turtle. Maybe he'll have some Easter eggs for Peter Cottontail, the Easter Bunny. Let's jump down and ask politely. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boing. Peter Cottontail asks very nicely. Oh, hello, Tommy. Please may we have some Easter eggs for Easter? Coming into our turtle position, we sit on our bottoms and bring our feet in front of us, bending our knees. We bring our hands down in between our legs and shuffle them underneath our legs, making a pair of turtle flippers. Tommy lifts his head out of his shell and gives us a great big smile. Hey there. It's so good to see you. And seeing as you asked me so nicely and you said, please, of course you can have some eggs for Easter. But I'm afraid I only have one. I seem to have lost all of the others. I don't know where they've gone. We come up to sit and cross our legs. That is funny. Where on earth could the other Easter eggs be? We say namaste to thank Tommy. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. We come to a lake where there's a little boat waiting for us. Coming to sit round, lift up one leg, lift up two, lift up one hand, lift up no hands. Yay! Give me a wave. We're in our boat pose. And with Peter Cottontail, we row. Take your legs out long, take hold of an oar, and let's sing our row, row, row your boat song. Ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Ring, 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 ring. That's his telephone. Shall we answer it? Okay, yeah. Hello. Oh, it's Belinda, the hen. Hi, Belinda. What? All of the Easter eggs are gone? But where? Oh, okay, Belinda. Speak to you soon. Bye. We put the phone down. Where could they have gone? We need to keep rowing, so we pick up the other oar. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Ring, 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 ring. That's the phone again. Let's answer it. Hello. Oh, it's Belinda again. Hi, Belinda. Oh, we've got to speak to Colonel Crockles, the crocodile. Okay, right. Thank you, Belinda. Bye. We put the phone down and we come face to face with a crocodile. This must be Colonel Crockles, the crocodile. Lying on your side, take your arms up long above your head and open and close your jaws like you're a snappy crocodile. And let's see if we can swish our tail as well. Oh, very good, everyone. I tell you, everyone, it's those tricksy, tickly monkeys. They've gone and stolen all the eggs, and they're hiding them in the back of their cave. They simply don't want to share them with anyone. Coming up to sit, we cross our legs. Oh, no! This is awful. If those tickly monkeys have stolen all the eggs, then there won't be any left for everyone at Easter. What are we going to do? We know what to do. We're going to take some deep breaths. We're going to calm our minds down and we're going to have an idea. Ready? We've got it. We've hatched a plan to save the eggs. Let's all pretend to be eggs. Then, when the tickly monkeys come, they'll think that we're eggs and they'll come and pick us up and add us to their collection. Then we can wait until they've gone to sleep and we can collect all the eggs and take them out. We can rescue them. This is a brilliant idea. Colonel Crockles agrees. Lying down on your other side now, stretch your arm up above your head and open your snappy jaws. And let's do some tail swishing on the other side too. Perfecto mundo, cosmic kiddos. Thanks, Colonel Crockles. We sit on up and we get ready to go to the cave where the tickly monkeys are living with all of the eggs. On the way, we hear an owl twit-to-wooing to warn us. Coming to your knees, draw your hands down in between. We lift up as we go twit and lower as we go twoo. And again, twit, twoo. Be careful, there are tickly monkeys in there who like to tickle you. We say namaste to the owl to thank her. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. And we get ready to look like little eggs. Coming to your knees, we're going to be like little eggs that have fallen over in the grass, folding yourself all the way forwards. We wait for the tickly monkeys to come and find us. Here they are. Bringing your hands up, wiggle your fingers and pitter-patter on your backs. The tickly monkeys are taking us and they're putting us in their cave with the other eggs, keeping very, very still. After a while, we hear a noise. It's the tickly monkeys. They've gone to sleep. Quick, get your basket. Coming onto your belly. Bring your feet to your bottom. Reach around and lift yourself up into your basket pose. Now we collect all of the eggs and we get them out of the cave. Come on, everyone. Standing up. Up we come. We tiptoe tiptoe, shh, very quietly out of the cave. What's that? Oh, it's all right. It's just a little Spod, the spider. Bending your knees and bringing your fingers in between your feet, we go ticka, 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 ticka to the outside. Oh, sorry about that. We carry on tiptoeing out of the cave, coming up to stand. Tiptoe. Shh. Shh. What's that? Oh, it's okay. It's just a little Cecil the slithery snake. Coming down onto your bellies, everyone. Hands under your shoulders and... Sorry about that. Didn't mean to disturb you. If we carry on tiptoeing out of the cave, up we come. Shh. 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 What's that? Oh, it's okay. It's just a little Meldrum the mouse coming down onto your knees, and tuck yourself up into a tiny little mouse ball. Squeak, 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 squeak. We carry on tiptoeing. We're so nearly there. Up we come. Shh, 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 shh. And we've done it! Yay! We wipe our brows. Phew! But what's that we can hear? Rubbing our ears. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah, ah, ah. It's the Tickley Monkeys. They've woken up and they're jumping into action. Crouching down on your toes, everybody. We're going to do a big monkey jump into the air. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, ah, ah. And again. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, ah, ah. Quick, we need to hide. Jump down the rabbit hole. Turning yourself around, hands down, tuck your toes, lift your bottoms up to the sky. This is a special rabbit hole, a rabbit warren. In we go on our bellies, slithering like snakes. Ooh, we're wiggling inside. And we hide like little mice, tucking all the way back with our arms and our head down. Shh. The Tickley Monkeys go running past, and we sit up and we say, phew, that is a relief. Peter Cottontail, who is the Easter Bunny, remember, is actually quite magical, and he crosses his legs. He takes one of the Easter eggs and he turns it upside down, and when it's this shape, it looks a bit like a balloon. And he says some magic words. With Easter coming so very soon, let's turn this egg into a hot egg balloon. And it works! Let's blow it up, everyone. Bring your hands around your mouth and do a big blow. Wowzers! Look how big our balloons are. We're floating up into the sky above the woods, away from the Tickley Monkeys, and we're heading back towards our garden with Peter Cottontail and all of the Easter eggs. We say our rhyme, tick, tock, like a clock, until I find my centre. We found our centre, and we found ourselves back at home. And we bring our hands together at our hearts. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Well done, everyone. You were very brave helping Peter Cottontail rescue those eggs. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you come back soon for another Cosmic Kids adventure. Bye-bye.